everyone, welcome back on my channel. I am Ashwini and today we'll see one new DAX function in Power BI. Okay, so the rank X DAX function we'll see in today's video, and it is used for giving the rank for particular category as per their sales, profit or discount. Okay, so we'll understand the rank X function first and then we'll see one scenario in Power BI desktop. Okay, so let's see. So the rankx function returns the ranking of a number in a list of the numbers for each row in the table argument. Okay. So the rankx function syntax is like rankx, that we just need to pass the table name, then we just need to write the expression and then the value, and then we can give the order descending or ascending and then the ties. Okay. So we can give the dense rank also in the same syntax. Okay. So we'll see it in Power BI how to use this function. Okay. So we have the data set as per our previous video. We have taken the same data set. So this data set is about US store, and here we have the order details. The order table is present and we have the customer name, sales, profit, discount, region, city, state, and the order date, order ID, and whole things. Okay. About the sales. Okay, then we just need to give the ranking as per the customer name and their cells. Okay, so how we can give the rank by using the rank x function? So we'll see it in the DAX. Okay, so I have created this rank column. So I have created this measure, so I have given the rank to name to the column, to the measure, and then in rank x I have passed the all function, and in all function I have removed the context of city, and then the I pass the total cells. Okay, we can see it in report view. So what we just need to do is, if we want to see the customer wise their sales, so this is the customer and this is the cells. So we can see the top cells is having the scene miller. Okay, then we want to give the rank for that customer. So if the highest sales is this, then it will give us 1, then 2, and then 3, like this. Okay, so how we can give? We just need to write one measure. First of all, we just need to create one measure for the sum of cells. So this, so we just need to write this cells amount measure first. So we just need to aggregate it, sum of cells column we just need to take. This is our aggregation of the cells column, so we just need to use this in the rank x function. So now we are creating one rank x measure. So here we just need to write the rank x function. In this we just need to remove the filter context for the customer name, then close this all functions bracket, and then we just need to pass the measure that we have created. Just do the enter, and then we have the rank. So when we will drag the same measure in the table, we will get the rank like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we can pass the more argument also in the rankings function. As per your requirement you can pass. Okay, so in this way we can create the ranking also as per our sales, profit and discount, whatever you want to see and you want to show to your customer. So in that way, as per your requirement, you can create the measure. Okay, so we can just create the rank x measure by using the other method also. So in this way, here I have written one measure. So here also, if I have to show the city wise cells, I can create the measure like this also. So here we are giving the rank x all, we are removing the filter context of city, and we are passing the sum x expression. In the sum x function we are passing the expression related table orders, and in that table we just need to give the rank based on the total cells. So total cells is the sum of cells measure. Okay, so when we will take the rank city and the cells, we will get the rank like this. Okay, so we you can create the rank by using the rankings function, simple, by giving the all for removing the filter, and you can just add the related table function also. Okay, so in this way we can create the ranking for your any category. as per their sales, profit and discount. So this is all about the rank function. We will see more DAX function in my upcoming videos. Till that, don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos. And thanks a lot for watching this videos. Thank you.